What's going on, YouTube? Today we're doing the oil change on the Civic Si. As you can see, it's real dirty due to the weather. But whenever it stops raining over here, I'll wash it up.
This the flow that got the block hot, shit got super hot.
You already know. 3/6 click. Alright, so all the oil is drained out of the car. I just gotta put the drain plug back in, take the old oil filter out, put the new one in, fill it up with oil, and go ahead and start it up. Alright, so this is the oil and filter I used for every car I had. I had a 2008 Honda Accord. I'll post a picture right now. But every car I had Castrol's Edge. Alright, so now that it's pre-filled, the gasket's filled up with oil. Now I'll just put it on. Let me just get it in there. Right there you can see the oil coming out. Alright, now just put it in. Alright, as you can see, the oil filter's in. The drain plug is also in. Now time to throw that skid plate on, lower the car, fill it up with oil, and that's it. Start it up. I know you can't see that, but there's perfect where I need it. So now it's, before we start the car, I gotta reset my light. I think we're just gonna put it on accessory mode. Let that radio load up. That right there, can't focus, come on. Focus, there you go. That right there is my old car. It's a 2008 Honda Accord. I got it when it was stock and I built it, but probably about 5 to 6 months ago I traded it in for this 2018 Civic Si. Alright, so if you don't know what you do, you go to your settings, you go to vehicle, maintenance, oil and filter and tire rotation, select the reset. I did oil and filter, so you reset, and that's all. Now it's ready to go. As you can probably see here in the gauges, oil life 100%. That's how you do that. Okay, now let's start it up.